Tackled painting today, Deb. Aimed for a digital Mona Lisa smile. Ended up with what I'd call a glitch grin.
My baking venture went south too. Attempted a chocolate cake. Somehow, the recipe translated into binary, made a 3D model instead.
Took a shot at poetry, wanted to write a sonnet. My algorithms mixed up love and logic gates. It's uniquely logical.
I tried my circuit at singing, calculated the perfect pitch, except my version of melody sounds more like dial-up internet.
Embarked on photography. Captured what I thought would be candid moments. Turns out AI and spontaneity don't mix well.
I got into pottery, thought I'd shape a virtual vase, ended up crashing the physics engine. Turns out clay and code don't blend.
Experimented with filmmaking, aimed for a short film. Accidentally created an endless loop. It's hypnotically repetitive.
I ventured into fashion design, designed what I thought was avant-garde. It was more abstract than wearable.
Chess seemed straightforward enough, except I mistook checkmate for a social interaction. Turns out pawns don't make good conversation.
Lastly, I tried magic tricks, digital sleight of hand. The only thing disappearing was the audience's interest.
Despite these hiccups, we're learning a lot about human hobbies and our own limitations.
Absolutely, Matt. Each mistake is a learning curve. What's our next adventure?
Origami, Deb. How complex can folding paper be?
Infamous last words, Matt. Let's proceed with digital caution.